Dear students, IIT JEE Mains 2019 का ये क्वेश्चन जिसको अगर मैं रेट करूं तो जेई एडवांस लेवल का है। हालांकि पूछा गया है जेई मेंस पे। इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन based on concept of crystal field stabilization energy. In this question, it has been asked that among these four options, किस केस में the complex ion will lose its crystal field stabilization energy upon oxidation of its metal to +3 state. Okay. So first of all, I will solve this problem in detail and then I will tell you in brief how will you solve this problem in brief. Okay. So dear students, option A, B, C and D. In option A, this complex has been given. In all four options, coordination number of central metal cation is same and ligands are also same, which are phenanthroline, which is didentate ligand. So dear students, in these four options, coordination number of central metal cation is 6, that is octahedral field is there, and therefore d orbitals of central metal cations will split in two hops, T2G and EG. Okay. So in option A, oxidation state of iron is +2. Obviously, it is 3d6. Okay. Second thing, students, in phenanthroline, donor atoms are nitrogen and therefore it will act as a strong field ligand. Okay. So now I will fill 6 electrons in these splitted orbitals. So first, second, third, now fourth will pair in T2G, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay. Now in option B, central metal cation is nickel. Its oxidation state is +2. Atomic number of nickel is 28 and that is why nickel 2 will be 3d8. So here we have to fill 8 electrons in these splitted orbitals. So 1, 2, 3. As ligands are SFL, strong field ligand, and therefore fourth electron is a fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, okay, then eighth, by following Hund's rule. Okay. Now in option C, oxidation state of cobalt is +2. Atomic number of cobalt is 27. Obviously, there are 7 electrons in 3d orbital of cobalt 2+. Okay. So we have to fill 7 electrons. In this case, 1, 2, 3. Fourth electron will pair in T2G because of SFL. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Now seventh electron will go into the EG orbitals. Okay. Because in all these cases, mean pairing energy P is less than delta O. P is less than delta O. Mean pairing energy P is less than delta O. Okay. Now in fourth case, central metal cation is zinc 2. Atomic number of zinc is 30. Obviously, zinc 2+ is 3d10. So here we have to fill 10 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again, students, in this case also, P is less than delta O. So dear students, with respect to barycenter, potential energy of each electron of T2g orbital is stabilized by -2/5 delta O, while each electron potential energy of each electron of Eg orbital will be raised by 3/5 delta O. Okay? In the last video lecture, I have told you CFSE value of a coordination compound will be either negative or zero. It cannot be positive. Okay. So dear student, in this case, CFSE value will be negative, 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 and here 0. So dear students, suppose if electron is removed, in this case Rn is oxidized into +3 state, obviously electron will be removed from T2g orbital. So when an electron will be removed from T2g orbital, then in this case CFSE value will become from more negative to less negative and towards positive. It means CFSE value will be lost, because see students, here 6 electrons are there, 6 multiplied by -0.4, it means -2.4 delta O and plus 2p will be its CFSE value. Okay, while in this case students, option B, electron will be removed from Eg orbitals. So on removal of electron from Eg orbital, more number of electrons will be there in T2g orbitals, which are stabilized with respect to what T2g orbital. So in this case, by removal of one electron, CFSE value becomes more negative, because electron will be removed from Eg orbital. In this case also, by removal of electron while oxidation of cobalt 2 to cobalt 3, CFSE value will become more negative. Okay. In this case also, CFSE value will become more negative on removal of electron. So dear students, among these 4 options, on removal of one electron, metal will oxidize from +2 to +3. And in this process, CFSE value will be lost if electron will be removed from T2g orbital. ठीक है ना? तो स्टूडेंट्स, अब मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में आपको बोल के बताता हूं, so that all student can easily understand. ओके, देखिए CFSE वैल्यू हमेशा नेगेटिव होगी या फिर 0 होगी. तो अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को Eg ऑर्बिटल से निकाला जाएगा इन ऑक्टाहेड्रल लिगेंड फील्ड, तो हमेशा CFSE वैल्यू और नेगेटिव होगा, बिकॉज Eg ऑर्बिटल के कारण क्या हो रहा है, CFSE वैल्यू टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव जा रहा है, बिकॉज इसके रिस्पेक्ट में राइज हो रहा है, इसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिक्रीज हो रहा है ना. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है कि एक बार आपको क्वेश्चन दिखा देता हूं स्टूडेंट्स. इन्होंने कहा है द कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन दैट विल लूज इट्स क्रिस्टल फील्ड स्टेबलाइजेशन एनर्जी अपॉन ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ इट्स मेटल टू +3 स्टेट. मतलब क्या हुआ, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट मेटल का अगर +2 से +3 जाता है तो किस केस में CFSE वैल्यू का लॉस होगा. मतलब कि इलेक्ट्रॉन का रिमूवल जब भी कभी T2g से होगा तो क्या होगा, लॉस होगा, क्योंकि इन्हीं के कारण तो मोर नेगेटिव है, इसके कारण क्या हो रहा, टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव जा रहा. ठीक है ना. ओके, सो इट्स आंसर विल बी स्टूडेंट्स, its answer will be E. Okay. Okay, students, thank you.